A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, President Donald Trump is seeking intervention from the U.S. Supreme Court regarding a contentious ruling that mandates the administration to allocate billions of dollars in foreign assistance, a move that has sparked widespread debate and concern among voters. The Justice Department filed an emergency request on August 27th, aiming for a swift decision by September 2nd, as approximately $12 billion in aid is set to expire at the end of the month if not committed. This request comes on the heels of a ruling from a 2-to-1 panel of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, which suggested that the injunction requiring the administration to spend the funds should be overturned. However, the injunction issued by U.S. District Judge Amir Ali remains in effect, creating a tense standoff between the executive and judicial branches of government. The urgency of the situation is underscored by the looming deadline for the aid, which includes critical funding for various foreign assistance programs. The Trump administration argues that the financial commitment is not only a matter of fiscal responsibility, but also one of national interest, as it seeks to navigate the complex geopolitical landscape. Critics, however, are voicing their concerns, with a recent Quinnipiac poll revealing that 60% of voters oppose sending additional military aid to Israel amid ongoing conflicts with Hamas. Only 32% support such measures, indicating a significant divide in public opinion regarding U.S. foreign aid policies. In a further complication, the conversation surrounding President Trump's approval ratings has taken a new turn. An AP&ORC poll shows Trump at a 45% approval rating, the highest he has received in this particular poll during his time in office. This uptick in approval comes amidst a backdrop of controversies, including allegations of corruption surrounding New York City Mayor Eric Adams, which have cast a shadow over local governance and raised questions about accountability in public office. Moreover, the political landscape continues to shift as Trump calls for investigations into billionaire Democrat donor George Soros, accusing him of racketeering and corruption linked to funding protests across the nation. This rhetoric aligns with Trump's broader strategy of framing political opposition as a battle to be fought, further polarizing the electorate. Amidst these developments, the Trump administration is also facing internal challenges. Reports indicate that roughly 75% of career lawyers in the Department of Justice's Civil Rights Division have departed in recent months, raising alarms about the stability and integrity of the department. The situation is further complicated by the ongoing discourse around crime reduction strategies in Washington, D.C. A recent Quinnipiac poll found that 56% of voters oppose the deployment of National Guard troops to the city, reflecting a growing skepticism about the efficacy of such measures in addressing urban crime. As the Trump administration navigates these treacherous waters, the implications of its decisions extend far beyond the immediate political landscape. The outcomes of these legal battles and public opinions will undoubtedly shape the future of U.S. foreign policy and domestic governance. With the Supreme Court's decision looming, all eyes are on how this pivotal moment will unfold and what it means for the Trump administration's agenda and the American public's trust in government institutions. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.